Palak Paneer, as we know it today, with a creamy, pureed spinach base and cubes of paneer, became popular in Punjab from an abundance of dairy and green leafy vegetables. Various regional cuisines, for example Punjabi, Gujarati, and Rajasthani, use greens like mustard leaves, fenugreek, or amaranth with buttermilk, cream, or cheese. Absolutely delicious, as we will see. Vikrant, will you show us the recipe?
Always a pleasure. Thank you, Isha. We start this dish by boiling the spinach leaves for about 2 to 3 minutes, then running cold water on them and setting them aside. This recipe is for 4 people, so we will use a standard grocery bag of pre-washed spinach or about 200 grams. Next, we use a few tablespoons of mustard oil, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 or more green or red chilies to taste, 1 sliced red onion, and a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Stir on high heat for just a few minutes and then also set this aside to cool. To finish this first phase of the dish, we take the boiled spinach and the onion spice mix and use your blender to create a nice smooth paste.
This is always my favorite part, when it all comes together as a finished fantastic recipe. Vikrant, please tell us how you now assemble this amazing dish.
Yes, of course, Isha. We add our standard curry spices, coriander, cumin, chili, and turmeric, and we add back the blended mixture from phase 1. We then also add in the tomatoes and stir in a half teaspoon of garam masala. And now we need to reduce the heat to add some heavy cream and of course the star of the show, the paneer cubes.
Thank you so much, Vikrant. You are always amazing. To our guests, we hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you again soon. Bye now.